kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth's Class TV. Today, we're going to discuss about chemical change. In this lesson, you will be able to describe changes in properties of materials when exposed to certain changes in temperature. Are you ready? What is chemical change? A chemical change occurs when a new substance with properties from those of the original substance is formed. It involves a change in the composition of the material. How do you prove that a chemical change has taken place? A change in the color, odor, or taste of a thing indicates a chemical change. For example, unripe fruits feel hard and taste sour. When fruits ripen, they become soft and sweet. They also change in color as they ripen. Eggs, vegetables, and raw meat appear, smell, and taste different after they are fried, boiled, or roasted. When food, plants, or animals decay, they also form new substances. The food you eat undergoes chemical change through the process of digestion. As the food enters your mouth, it combines with your saliva, which contains enzymes that break down food particles. When the food reaches your stomach, it will combine with other enzymes that digest the food further. After digestion, new materials are formed. Cars, iron grills, and other metallic objects undergo chemical change. When these objects are not painted, the silvery color turns reddish-brown and becomes brittle. After a while, rust has formed. Chemical change may also be accompanied by a release of gas. When you put an antacid tablet in water, fizzy bubbles form. Antacid tablets react with water, producing carbon dioxide gas, which you see as bubbles. Burning of wood is a chemical reaction too. When a fuel such as the wood is burned and combines with oxygen in the air, carbon dioxide and water are formed. The process of burning is called combustion. Fuel undergoes chemical change. More examples of chemical change. Fireworks. The formation of heat and light such in fireworks is also a sign of chemical change. Another one is match. A match will turn into ash after it burns. Let's see more examples of chemical change. Burning wood, rotting fruit, baking soda and vinegar mixture, baking a cake, and photosynthesis. How about you? Can you share more examples of chemical change? Once again, materials undergo chemical change due to temperature, and it can be evidenced by change in color, odor, and taste, gas formation, and release of heat and light. Identify the picture as physical change or chemical change. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. Burning wood. This is chemical change. Frying eggs. This is a chemical change. Breaking a plate. This is physical change. Baking a cake. The answer is chemical change. Peeling a banana. And the answer is physical change. Lighting a firecracker. And the answer is chemical change. Slicing a bread. This is a physical change. Rust forming on a nail. The answer is chemical change. Cutting paper. This is a physical change. A pear that is rotting. And the answer is chemical change. A melting popsicle. And this is physical change.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.